Hi, this is Luke, and this is using a PSP stereoController2 to restore symmetry in the mix. Sometimes sounds that need to be in the middle can be recorded off-center, like this snare in my overheads. Really, I should pan my close mics to match that position, and if I don't, the snare can sound less focused, but neither way is good. Now, I can use the center control in stereoController2 to tip those central elements over so that they hit straight down the middle without affecting anything else across the panorama. And that also means that I can pan my snare drum close mics over to the center as well. So I've got everything hitting straight where I need it, down the middle. And if I play that in stereo and then mono, then you can hear how it still works over speakers, over headphones, in mono or stereo, regardless of what the listener is doing to the mix. Stereo. And mono. Now over on my mix I have an extra instance of stereoController2, and I can just use that to open out the entire mix. And I can even adjust the width in different frequencies, so I can narrow the low band if I want, so that's great for cutting vinyl, for example. And then just open out the top as well if I need to. So it's starting to come together nicely there, beginning with that nicely centered snare in the overheads. So all in all, a really useful stereo toolkit there. So that is using PSP stereoController2 to restore symmetry in the mix. I can steer the center and do loads of other panoramic tricks for everything else. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Experts blog.